How to select a Gold IRA company for $400,000 portfolio. Investing $400,000 in a Gold IRA requires careful selection of a reputable company. Here's the guide to help you choose the right Gold IRA provider. 1. Reputation and track record. Choose a company with a solid history in precious metals and positive customer reviews. Check ratings from sources like the Better Business Bureau and Trustpilot. 2. Fees and pricing. Understand the company's fee structure, including setup, storage, and transaction fees. Look for transparency and avoid hidden charges. 3. Precious metals offered. Ensure the company provides a range of IRS-approved metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium. A diverse selection allows for a balanced portfolio. 4. Storage options. Opt for a company that offers secure storage. Segregated storage, though pricier, provides additional security compared to commingled storage. 5. Buyback policy. Look for a company with a straightforward buyback process and competitive prices. Avoid those with high fees or restrictive conditions. 6. Customer support. Choose a company with excellent customer service and educational resources to guide you through the investment process. 7. Compliance and regulation. Ensure the company adheres to IRS regulations and has the necessary licenses and accreditations. 8. Expertise. A company specializing in gold IRAs will offer better advice and solutions tailored to precious metals investing. 9. Educational resources. Access to resources like articles and webinars will help you make informed decisions. 10. Due diligence. Research multiple companies, compare their offerings, and consult with financial advisors to make a confident choice. By evaluating these factors, you can secure your $400,000 investment and build a robust retirement portfolio. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.